Hey guys, it's Jira bro back with another video, and in this video I wanted to showcase my first ever app that was developed by using the Atlassian Forge, and it's all about the project details. So actually the goal of this app is to have an overview of all of your projects, and within those projects you can see things like what the name of the project is, what project key is being used, what permission scheme is being used, what kind of workflow scheme is being used, what kind of workflows do we have in there. And when I say workflows, I mean if there are actually more than one issue types, and then if those issue types are using different workflows, it should be listed within this column in here. Also, what this app is also showing is the work that actually has been done. It is also showing the project health and the activity level. So these three features right here, they were recent, and the most recent is the option to actually export all of this in the CSV format. So as you can see from here, this for this table view, I was actually using the dynamic kind of a table. Now for these things, for the schemes and the project name and the project key, so all of this was fetched with the API. And since everything was actually fetched with the API, as you can see, it is also showing the things in here. So when it comes to project health, for example, everything that was like below the 50% on the work done. So the project health is depending on the work that was actually done within the project itself. So it's doing the calculation based on that. So everything that is below 50%, for example, it's going to be and having the medium project health. Everything that is below it, it's actually on low project health. Everything that is above 75% of the work that has been done, it's actually having the good project health. The activity level is based on how frequent the users were actually, how they are actually active within the specific project itself. So it shows the levels such as low, showing the levels such as high, and showing the levels such as medium as well. So that is the another feature that I wanted to show you. And this one, when you actually click on report, it's gonna ask you where do you actually want to save this. So I'm gonna say, you know what, I want to save this in a desktop, and actually gives you the projects in the CSV format that you can also use. So since I don't have like an Excel in here, I can actually show you how this actually works within the worksheets. So I will see you there. And after some loading that actually took from the Google Drive side, so this is the outcome that you actually will see. As you can see, here are all of the column names in here. Also, there is like the activity level. Now, of course, what you can do always is you can select all of these columns. You can make a filter of them, And within those filters, you're gonna say, I want to see where project is low and the activity level is low, because I want to be focused on those projects. I want to ask, like, why is this project not being updated so much, and why so many issues haven't been done. So that is the conclusion of everything. That this was the showcase of my app. I named it Project Details. So guys, I'm now giving you the space for you to actually comment on which features you would like to add to this app, how to make it better. One thing to actually have in mind, that this app was developed by using the UI kit, and it is not using the custom UI. So this is the basic UI kit. I didn't add that, fancier front end kind of template for it, because I just wanted to list out the information that can be really handful and helpful for the users who actually want to see the overview of the projects, and to actually give the projects that need the attention, well, the real attention. Okay, that is it. So I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See ya. Bye.